I think one of the very important things is that when you're choosing your school, don't just look at the university or its ranking. Also look at the program and what that has to offer to you. If it's something that you resonate with, it's okay even if your university is not like amongst the Ivy League schools. Um, Make sure when you're there, try to get as much exposure and experience as you can. I mean, UCR has some really great opportunities. In a lot of aspects, like they have some really good research opportunities. They're willing to shell a lot of money if you are the right person. They have a great international students organization that will give you a lot of like support and care that you need. Again, like when you're out there, like you're so far away from home, make sure you have a very strong social support that you have built for yourself. Make a lot of friends. Don't just stick to like making friends with people of your own nationality. You're in a new country, so the best way to get exposed to their culture is through the locals. So, to all of that, don't just stick to academics and fun.